To start, draw a letter D. Draw an inverse D. These letters will serve as the wings of the bird. Draw a long triangle for the beak. Make a circle for the head. Put 2 dots inside the circle for the eyes. Draw a curve for the bottom part of the bird. Draw slant lines for the tail. And make a curve and another lines. Make a parallel line to form the feet. Then draw straight lines to finish the feet. Draw wave lines inside its wings. Lastly, color and design it.
Don't forget to click like, subscribe, and click the notification button for more videos. Thank you!